Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use 3D text with motion tracking in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut, then tap New Project and import the video you want to add 3D text to. Then, tap Text, then Add Text. Type in any text you want. Customize the font, color, size, and position. It depends on you. Drag the text layer to match the video's duration. Duplicate the text layer and place each one to different positions where you want the 3D effect to happen. For each text clip, split the text in the middle of its clip. At the start of the clip, tap the diamond icon to add a keyframe. Move to the end of the clip, enlarge the text while dragging it diagonally. This creates the illusion of 3D motion tracking. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.